Kuala Lumpur. You are about to see our next-gen hybrid fighter prototype 2, fully armed and ready to come to our defense. Say hello to our squad leader, Wolfman.
Don't worry, recruits. We got your back. Rendezvous with our fighter escort topside.
Thanks, Wolfman. We are ready for you to guide us through the wormhole generator.
Follow me.
Roger. What a view! Recruits, have you ever seen Kuala Lumpur like this before? Coordinates Titan Alpha and low. Engage remote generator. Okay.
Going today, we're going today. Yeah, we're going to space. Take this space out.
Welcome to Saturn, folks. What the? That's no probe.
Shields up.
Force field generator activated. Wait a second. I'm detecting no signs of life. I think it's abandoned.
Let's take a look.
After you.
Okay. Time formation. Everybody stay alert. We're going in.
We're inside. A destroyer-class detection. The power core's been shut down. No wonder we couldn't read his energy signal from Earth. Wait. Those are my screen should have picked them up. That makes no sense. It's a trap.
Watch the tail, Bravo.
Multiple targets.
Watch this thing. Watch the generator. Take your target. You got bugs and bolt left.
Watch that front fire.
I'm taking it slow. Hold on.
Cover fire. Where are you, Max? Hold it together. Where are you?
We're okay for the moment. Strike that. I got one right in front of me. Wolfman, our shields are being damaged, firing up his weapons.
I'll keep Bug Boy occupied, but you, get out of here.
We'll never make it. We've got to reach the central core and destroy it.
How?
I can identify the target, but only you have the tech to take it out.
A hybrid torpedo.
Affirmative. That should solve the problem.
Let's move.
Central core, dead ahead.
Powering up.
That's it, Wolfman, light it up.
Get away.
Wolfman! There's our exit. Come on, baby, you can do it. I've still got power, but I can barely control it. We're coming in hard. Hang on. I can't control the ship. Look out. Auxiliary power to stabilizers. I think I got it under control.
Hold on, Max. We're picking up an alien signal. Something came back through the wormhole.
He's right in front of us.
Not so fast, Bug Boy.
Man, you're back.
I said I had your back. Nice going, Bruce. Not bad for your first mission.
Not bad. I think we just saved the planet. Congratulations, recruits. Today is your Independence Day.